on, and you can just write at the back after whoever, okay? So the painting that he's done, he's gone too soon, too quick, with too much textures, and the proportions were all wrong. So what we've done is, all I've done is I've corrected the proportions from him. So this is a 1 point proportion here. Everything goes to 1 point, and that's a 1 point proportion going this way. So what I've done now, if I just used like a burnt umber kind of color, I'm just mixing now the blue. It's like a phthalo blue. This is oils with the burnt umber, so the oils will stay dark, stay wet longer. And all I want to do is help him to put in, so that line is also going to connect there. I just want to help him put in the correct kind of feel. So the most important thing here is to get the proportions right. So I'm not caring, so I'm trying to use what he's got. So here he's got that sort of, here he's got it higher. So I'm just going to use what he's got and just change the angle slightly to get the proportion correct. So now I'm putting the darkest dark in, just like I did just now. So you can see I'm working with oil here, but the principles of oil and whatever I'm teaching you guys on acrylics is exactly the same thing. So I'm just adjusting because I want to try that we can use as much as what he's got here as possible. I'm just going to put it